Invidiatrade versus IC Markets, two brokers, two very different worlds. Stick around and by the end you'll know exactly which one fits how you actually trade. So let's get into it. Quick thing before we dive in, I've looked at both properly. IC Markets is the established ECN giant out of Australia. Invidiatrade is the modern broker built around how retail traders actually operate today. Different generations, different philosophies. So let's break them down. Quick overview of who we're comparing. IC Markets was founded in 2007 in Australia. They're one of the largest ECN forex brokers globally, with a strong reputation for raw spreads and fast execution. Hugely popular amongst scalpers and algo traders. They've built serious infrastructure over nearly 2 decades and earned their place in the industry. No question about that. Invidiatrade is a new generation broker focused on modern retail trading, built from the ground up for traders who want flexibility and simplicity, growing faster amongst active traders and prop style traders, specifically because they've designed the platform around how people actually trade now, not how people traded 15 years ago. So you've got the established ECM specialist versus the modern retail focused challenger, both legitimate brokers, but built very different types of trader. That's a real question. Which type are you? If trading feels confusing or inconsistent, it might not be your efforts. It might just be a lack of clear direction. Let me introduce the Signaler.com, a signal service focused on delivering precise, well-structured trade ideas without all the unnecessary noise. With the Signaler, you get carefully prepared trade setups, exact entry points, take profit and stop loss levels, and straight to the point market insights that actually make sense. Every signal is built around discipline and proper risk control. There's no exaggeration and no overtrading, just calculated opportunities based on real analysis. And if you want to see the quality for yourself, they offer a 7-day free trial, so you can test the signals before making any commitment. Stay focused, follow structure, trade with a plan. Try the Signaler.com today. Now, let's get back to the video. So platforms first, because this shapes your day-to-day experience. IC Market supports MT4, MT5, CTrader, and TradingView integration. That breadth is genuinely useful if you're an advanced technical trader, CTrader in particular. It's loved by scalpers. MT5 is great for EAs, and TradingView integration is a nice touch. But the trade-off, that technical setup can feel overwhelming for beginners. So there's a learning curve, and the interface still feels like it's built for traders who've been in the game a while. Invidiatrade focuses on the modern MT5 environment, plus cloud-based trading systems and a properly modern mobile experience. The interface is simpler, the learning curve is faster, and account management is genuinely cleaner. You're not fighting the platform to get to your charts. IC Markets wins on variety for advanced traders. Invidiatrade wins on feel for everyday active traders. And honestly, for most retail traders, feel matters more than platform variety, that they'll never use. Now, pricing and leverage. Both compete here, but differently. IC Markets is famous for raw spreads from 0.0 pips. That's their headline feature, properly competitive and a real strength for high volume scalpers. The catch, there's low spreads still come with commissions, and during volatile news events, slippage can absolutely happen. Low raw spreads aren't the whole picture. Invidiatrade offers competitive retail friendly spreads with a simpler fee structure. Easier to understand your true cost per trade, better experience for beginner and intermediate traders, and more balanced overall trading conditions. On leverage, IC Markets offers up to 1 to 500 in some jurisdictions, good for experienced traders running aggressive strategies. Invidiatrade runs a flexible leverage system designed for capital efficiency, with better accessibility for smaller accounts. The kind of practical leverage that actually helps you trade, not the kind that blows accounts faster. And it does also offer leverage up to 1 to 500. Same as IC Markets. So for pure raw spread trading, IC Markets has the edge. For balanced, sustainable retail trading conditions, Invidiatrade feels more user-friendly. On execution, IC Markets is fast. It's built for scalping, high frequency trading and algos. Low latency ECN infrastructure, exactly what professional algorithmic traders need. The honest catch? Some users report slower execution during major news spikes. Invidiatrade focuses on execution, optimized for retail traders specifically. Smooth order placement, more stable user experience, easier for non-technical traders who are clicking entries manually. Not built for institutional style algos, it's built for human traders making real-time decisions. Withdrawals, well, this is where the gap is biggest. IC Markets is trusted banking infrastructure, but some traders report withdrawal method limitations and occasional delay. Established broker, established processes, and sometimes those processes show their age. Invidiatrade, it delivers a more modern payment experience, faster onboarding, simpler funding, smoother overall, less industrial, more user friendly. So for modern retail traders, this matters every single time they move money. User experience is where the philosophies really show. IC Markets has built a professional trading environment, best suited for experienced traders who want a technical ecosystem with deep platform options. If you're an algo trader or a serious scalper running C-trader setups, IC Markets feels like home. Invidiatrade has a cleaner interface, right? It's easier navigation and is properly built for beginners, mobile traders, and the modern retail traders. The whole thing is designed around simplicity without sacrificing capability. So who fits where? IC Markets is best for scalpers, all, algo traders, C-trader users, and advanced forex traders focused heavily on raw spreads, properly suited for that crowd, whereas Invidiatrade is best for beginner traders, modern retail traders, prop style traders, anyone who prefers simplicity, and traders who want fast onboarding and smooth withdrawals. The new generation of traders, the ones who learn through Discord, YouTube, and prop firms, Invidiatrade is genuinely their natural home. If you're a professional scalper or an algo trader, IC Markets still delivers. If you want the modern, cleaner, trader-focused experience designed around how trading actually happens now, Invidiatrade is the answer. So the link is in the description, so check out Invidiatrade for yourself. Smash the like if this comparison was useful. Drop a comment with which broker you'd pick, and let me know which one you'd want me to review next. See you in the next one.